Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect only with girls on Umingle. First, open your browser and search for a video chat extension on Google, then add the extension to Chrome. After installing it, close all your tabs and open the Umingle website. Click on the video option and allow access to your camera. Now click on the video chat extension and launch it. While launching, make sure to select Skip All Men. Once it opens, go to the Game section and you will see that Skip menu is already turned on. Now start the chat and you will notice that all male users are automatically skipped. This means you will only connect with girls. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.